Hi guys, today I'm just going to share a couple of quick productivity tips for using Gmail. So the first one is scheduling your emails later. So all you need to do for this is click on the compose, send the email who you want to send it to, test. I'll just type in a test email, and all you need to do is where the send button is at the bottom of the screen, just next to it there's an option to schedule a send. So you can do a scheduled send. You can use one of the suggested times, or you can choose a custom one, select date and time, and all you need to do is pick a date when you want to send that email. And this is a good time. This is really late to send an email, so I probably want to send it at 10 in the evening or 9 in the morning rather than late at night. So I'll just schedule a time where I want to send it, click schedule send, and boom, that's it. Email is gonna be sent on 15th October at 9 a.m. You can see that in the schedule tab here on the left, and you can see there's an email planned for those dates. So that's it. It's a simple tip for scheduling your email in Gmail at a later date. Thank you.